Check this out. Stopped off at a fishmonger's on the way back from the market and picked up some sushi-grade tuna. That's the bee's knees. Thought that would go really nicely with the kale I got today and some fennel. This is a pretty special cut of fish. I don't treat myself to it very often, but I figured camping, having fun, why not? So just a salt and pepper and a little oil, keep it nice and fresh. And with that, fennel's gonna be really nice. It's got a lot of freshness to it with a little bit of a licorice flavor. And once I grill these up, I think it'll be a really nice complement to the tuna. Now the structure of this fennel is pretty crazy. It is important to keep that hard bit right in the middle intact so it doesn't fall apart on the grill. Now, I have a mild obsession with kale. I'm always looking for new ways of using it. So I have the barbecue out today, figured try grilling it. So this won't need a whole lot of preparation. I'm just gonna take off those woody stems, but leave the rest of the leaf intact for grilling. So I've got a lot of flavors and textures going on: fennel, kale, tuna, and I need a dressing to bind them all together. So tahini, which is made from sesame, it's got a nice nutty flavor. This is commonly used in Middle Eastern cuisine. And another one of my favorites, miso paste. It's made from fermented soybeans, and it has that umami flavor, which makes it really fun in a lot of vegetarian cuisines as well. So for a bit of balance, add some acidity. And dressings are all about finding balance. You need the acidity, the sweetness, the saltiness, the savoriness, all packed into one jar. So on the sweet note, some Canadian maple syrup. We'll use some sesame oil, a little extra nuttiness. With the paste and the tahini, I'm gonna add a little water just to thin it out. Go. Mason jars sure are handy. Wow, there's a lot of flavor packed into that jar. Yeah, this is gonna make for a nice meal. All right, this is not gonna take very long at all. In fact, I'm gonna start with the fennel because it's a little bit thicker cut, so it's gonna take the longest. And as that cooks away, all the sweetness is gonna come out of that fennel. It's gonna mellow out, and I'm gonna get those char marks that I love. This fennel needs just a little bit longer. In the meantime, I'm going for the tuna. And this isn't gonna take very long at all. A quick sear on either side is all you need. Cooking with tuna is such a treat. Oh yeah, check out the color. Oh yeah, that's ready. One down, one more to go. Oh yes, golden perfection. All we've got left to do is the kale. This will just take a few seconds, giving it a little bit of oil so it doesn't stick, so it gets a little bit crispy. And I am ready to plate. This fennel has softened right up, and the kale's kind of done the opposite. Got nice and crispy. All right, a plate. With all the grilling and charring, it's gonna bring out those earthy flavors. And this is the best part. Oh yeah, still pink on the inside, a little crispy on the outside. Now for the dressing. And I do like to add a little bit of fresh to every meal. Some snap peas, and I kept some of the fennel ferns just to pretty up the plate. Now it's time to eat. All right, a little bit of everything on the plate. That tuna is melt in your mouth. And that dressing, you get an immediate nuttiness. There's a great amount of umami going on this plate. That fennel is soft, has a little hint of crunch right in the middle of it. I got so excited about this meal, I forgot to pour myself a glass of wine. I'm telling you, fresh veggies go with every meal. And that is why I love farmers markets.